Hello everyone, I am from New Delhi. I am invest in Apax app. It's a great way to earn money even if you have no experience.
Hello everyone, I am from New Delhi. I am investing in Apax app. It's a great way to earn money even if you have no experience. Thank you.
Hello people, this is Shivam and I am here to give you update. So recently I joined an app that is Apax app, and you would be pleased to know that I have made a moving amount of money from that app. I have recommended that app to various friends of mine, and they too have won a lot of money. So I suggest you people should also go and check it out. Do join it.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं दिल्ली का रहने वाला हूँ। मैंने एपेक्स ऐप में पैसा इन्वेस्ट किया है और मुझे बहुत अच्छा प्रॉफिट हुआ। थैंक यू एपेक्स।
Hello everyone, I am from New Delhi. I am investing in Apax. It is great way to earn money even if you have no experience.
Hello everyone, it's Gautam and I am from Assam and I am investing in Apax. It's a great way to earn money even if you have no experience. I registered on Apax app 2 days ago. I invited many users to join the Apax app by sharing my registration link. It's a great app. Join now and get a joining bonus of 500 RS. Let's join together, let's earn together with Apax.
Hello friend, I am from New Delhi. I am invest Apex apps. It's a great earn money. Have no ideas, no experience. Please download now.
Hello friends, myself Rahul. I invest in Apex application. Apex is a most trusted full application in India which can double your money and invest now money. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am from Madhya Pradesh. I am invest FX. It is great to earn money online if you have no experience.